Hi there, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful makeup look, so let's get right into it. To prime my skin, I'm using Rimmel London Stay Matte Face Primer. I'm just applying a primer all over my face, under my chin area, my brows, like just applied it all over. Then for my foundation, I'm using Revlon 24 Hours Colourstay Foundation in the shade Caramel. I applied it all over my face, my forehead area, my under eye area, under my chin, the sides of my ears. Leave no stone unturned. Ensure you blend that foundation all over your entire face area, like even the corners. Don't leave anywhere on, like don't ignore anywhere. So next, for my concealer, I'm using Zikel concealer. I can't remember the name of the shade of this concealer, but I'm going to add it to the description box. I'm just trying out this concealer for the first time, and man, I love the undertone. So I noticed I couldn't blend it with my foundation brush. I'm using a beauty blender to blend it into my skin. And guys, with this concealer, a little goes a long way. Unfortunately, because I saw that the consistency was quite liquid, I was thinking that I would need a lot of it, but truly you don't need a lot of this concealer. A little goes a long way. So I keep blending that concealer all over my face, and I reapplied it to my nose area and blended it well to ensure that my nose is really pointy. Yes. For my powder, I'm using LA Pride Contour Game Palette, and I'm using that powder which I showed you to set the highlighted parts of my face. After I'm done setting the highlighted parts of my face, I'm going to reach for a darker powder from the same palette, that powder right there, to set the other parts of my face which I didn't highlight. And that is just to help the makeup look, like my face blend better with my body, because my neck and shoulder area just tends to be on a warmer side, so I need to warm up the corners of my face to ensure that it blends seamlessly. So now I'm going in with that small brush right there just to snatch my nose. Yes, we need to have a pointed nose. Yes. So after I'm done doing that with my nose, I'm going to draw in my brows, and I'm using a David's number 3 eyebrow pencil to fill in my brows. Ensure you do your brows well. Even if you have to be slow, do your brows well, and with time you get used to it, and then you could go really fast. So after I'm done lining my brows with the pencil, I'm going to reach for the same concealer which I used in defining, like in highlighting my face, to also define my brows, which is the same Zikel concealer. So ensure you define your brows really well. Let it be well done. So after I was done defining my brows, I just went back into the concealer and I reapplied it all over my lids just to ensure that everything is cleaned out. So I went back to just define the sides of my nose and connect it to my brow area. Now it's time for eyeshadow, and I'm using ENL Beauty, the Divine Eyeshadow Palette. Guys, if you don't have this palette, go and get it. And I'm also using ENL Beauty 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush, using the blending side of the brush to apply that orange eyeshadow named Fate onto my eyelids. And I started from the outer V area towards the inner eyelids area, and then I started to join it on the crease area. So I'm going in with that brown eyeshadow, and I'm using it to just define my outer V area. The outer V area is the ends of your eyes. Next, I'm using a shade known as named Onyinye. I'm using Onyinye on the center of my eyelids. Yeah, make sure you like this video right now. Like this video, subscribe. Yeah, using Onyinye on the center of my eyelids just to make my eyelids pop, and I'm going back to the same orange eyeshadow just to blend my crease area, just to ensure everything looks well done, seamless, and really clean. So I'm going back to the same brown eyeshadow named Onyeka just to cut my crease. Actually, I didn't like the way the eyeshadow was looking boring, so I wanted to take the makeup look to make it a bit edgy. So I just used that brown eyeshadow to cut my crease, and I blended the orange eyeshadow all over again. So for my waterline, I'm using Marbrook Extremely Soft Eyeliner Pencil. For my eyeliner, I'm using ENL Beauty Precision Eyeliner Pencil. So I'm just applying that eyeliner pencil on my eyelids. After doing the first line, I'm connecting that line towards like my lower eyelids, or rather my upper eyelids, and extending it towards like the beginning of my eyes. Just watch how I do it. I might not know how to describe it all, but just watch the process. So for my inner tear dot area, I'm using that Onyinye shade just to make it pop, and I'm smudging that brown eyeshadow to my lower lash line. Then I went back to that same blending brush, and I'm using it to blend that orange eyeshadow to my bottom lash line on the both sides. Yeah, for my mascara, I'm using ENL Beauty Volumizing Mascara. If you don't have a mascara, even if you even have one, go and buy this mascara. Like, it will transform your lashes. For my blush, I use the same orange eyeshadow as my blush. Yes. So I went back into the contour game palette, and I'm using highlighter from the palette to highlight my cheekbone area, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. Then now for my lips, I'm using ENL BEAUTY Coffee Lip Liner to define my lips. This lip liner is very creamy. If you need a lip liner that you can also use as a lipstick, run and go and buy this lip liner. So after I'm done lining my lips with the ENL BEAUTY Coffee Lip Liner, I'm going in with ENL BEAUTY lipstick in the shade Moyo, and I'm using Moyo on my lower lips. I'm just going with the head of the lip liner just to blend the lip liner in with the nude lipstick which I use, and I'm cleaning out the sides of my lips now just so that everything looks clean and well done. So guys, this is the finished look. So guys, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, check out my other makeup tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.